Don't leave me alone at this time, for I'm afraid of what I will discover as time. Find a hope within the fragile substance of my soul, and I have filled this void with things unreal, and all the while my character is skewed. The darkness is a harsh term, don't you think? The things I see. Seems that all my bridges have been burnt. But you say that's exactly how this grace thing works. It's none there long will come that will change this heart, but the welcome I receive with the restart. Yeah. The darkness is a harsh term, don't you think? Yeah, it dominates the things I see. The darkness is a harsh term, don't you think? And yet it dominates the things I see. Are my desires, and I will give them up to you this time around. And so I'll be found with my stake stuck in this ground, marking the territory of this newly impassioned storm. But you've gone too far this time. You have neither reason nor rhyme with which to take this soul that is so rightfully mine.